What's up, y'all? It's day, what, 7? Day 7 of Vlogmas. And I work today, so I didn't really vlog while I was out doing my work or whatever. But I'm back at home. My daughter actually has dance practice, so I'm about to take her to dance practice. I just ordered a few groceries through Instacart because I'm gonna cook some homemade jambalaya, not that box shit tonight. So I guess I just let y'all watch me cook that, because I don't know how that's gonna turn out. But I guess this vlog will be about me cooking that homemade jambalaya and just doing whatever we do around the house or whatever. And I also ordered this new dessert made by Marie Calendar, so we will also give that a try. This pimple right here hurt. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and check in with y'all for day 7, let y'all know what we up to. Really ain't much. It's dark outside already. But we're ready to head out to take my daughter to practice, and I'm gonna check back with y'all once I get back. Alright, y'all, so we got Naya to dance practice, and me and Julian Sandy back at home. So my Instacart order came. I actually went and met her, y'all, cause she shopped. She had her the order was at the food line near my home, and because the dance studio is, hope that don't count. The bread actually touched.
No, we got
so the food line was right beside the dance studio that she was shopping at. So I was like, let me save you the trip. I'll show you my ID. You know what I'm saying? We picked this food up, save you the trip to my house. You go ahead and jump on another order, girl, get that money. But I'm gonna show y'all what a little grocery haul.
I got you.
One bag at a time of what I ordered from the store. So on my journey of Instacart today, this customer had ordered a no-bake confetti birthday cake cream pie, and I wanted to try it. So here's how it looks. By Marie Calendar. So I bought that for our dessert tonight. I don't know if my kids gonna like the
my second dessert.
I don't know if my kids gonna like the homemade jambalaya, because my kids be picky on what they eat. So my son said if he don't like the jambalaya, he wanted his kids cuisine. Favorite TV dinner. This is favorite one with the strawberry cake in there.
Yes.
Next bag.
Next bag too.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you.
These are my green scallion onions that I gotta cut up. Naya said if she don't like the food, she wanted pizza rolls. So this is for her and Sonny. Sonny probably eat what I cook, because she eat anything. Y'all, I don't make cornbread, okay? So this is what I buy. The cornbread swirls. Cause I ain't say I don't know how to make cornbread. I'm just not the best at that. So I buy the quick fix. And also I got my red pepper.
Is there a way to make cornbread, but it's red?
Red?
Yeah.
Food color?
Yeah. Oh.
And this is the last bag from the store, y'all. Chicken broth. Basmati rice. Garlic powder. Tomato paste. And onion powder. Put that with the same bag. So now, y'all can watch and see what I'm about to do with all these ingredients. I got the dishes and stuff all out the dishwasher, and the dishwasher loaded up with the next set of dishes. I'm about to go ahead and start preparing to cook. So I'll let y'all watch me do that too. Food is done. I hope it came out how I imagined. But there go my cinnamon cornbread rolls and the jambalaya. So hopefully it tastes good. Because I always used to buy jambalaya in a box. I ain't never tried to make jambalaya not in the box. So yeah, about to get this thing and try and fix my plate because I'm hungry as hell. Alright y'all, here's the finished product on the plate. So we'll see if I like it. My son likes it. Sonny just playing in hers. You always ask for her biscuit. But you always ask for her biscuit.
I still ask first though.
You always ask for it. So you know better gonna have it. I'm gonna put it back over there. Eat your food and stop playing in the grass.
That's what I'm saying.
I got a little comb to take it.
You always hit it up. But
Yeah, grown or something.
Did you ask me?
Ain't nobody getting it. Neither one of y'all.
Just gonna sit there.
And you, what him ain't gonna get it? This tastes pretty good. It tastes like it came out the box. But it did. How many left?
Yellow rice is just
Two.
cooked rice?
One for Ben, one for my dad. If y'all can split it down the middle since y'all fussing about it.
Hello? Hello?
And I said split it down the middle. So why you gotta argue with me? It's either you want a half a piece or you don't. You're not even eating the dinner that go along with it, but yet you want to eat the mustards up.
Yes.
Because I'm not really hungry.
And actually, I can fit it. Well, y'all, for the most part, and straighten the living room, the kitchen back up, put the food away. Son did his job. Now you gotta do her job. If y'all don't know, his job is to make sure the kitchen table is back clean and that the decor is back on the table after dinner. And Naya's job is to straighten up the living room every night before bed. So she always do hers right before she go to bed. Sonya's already in the bed. I don't think she's feeling good, y'all. I'm gonna keep my eye on her and check her in the morning. But I'm sleepy. But I'm not going to bed yet because I gotta edit day 6. So go ahead and get that uploaded tonight for y'all. But I am gonna go ahead and end this vlog right here. So we will see y'all tomorrow on day 8. Peace.